What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We're about to go ahead and get some work done today. I got to go ahead and literally get my Camaro from in front of the house and get it in the garage, finally get that thing going. Then on top of that, I got to get that Camaro motor on the engine stand so we can finally get that motor building and on the way. So I can get this car running because I'm tired of pushing this thing when I know I got everything for it. It's just been my time, but I've been getting my time into all this other stuff. So I'm trying to put some time in it little by little because I literally had this car for like almost a year and a half. And all that money I spent on storage, this car could have probably been running. So that's one thing about it for sure that got me kind of thrown off. But anyway, man, we got a lot to do today. I'm about to go ahead and head to LA, drop that frame off to the Powdercoat shop. I got to tow a bike out there too. So we got a lot of different things to do, but stay tuned for that, man. We're about to get everything on the way. We got to just stay at it and stay consistent, man. But make sure I enter the winner to the Silver Bullet giveaway. We are almost sold out. We are closer than close, I'm telling y'all. But I know a lot of people holding back because the bike is not complete. But stay tuned. After this week, it's going to look like greatness from here on out. We got the powder coated frame coming, new motor about to land, getting bolted right to that transmission already up on there. We're going to have all the other powder coated parts that we already got assembled on there with the 23 and 18, the custom wheels that we got made, along with the bars that I've been selling. So stay tuned for that. I still have a few sets of bars right here. And for all the winners, stay tuned. I got those bars on the way to y'all. It's just no tracking number because it's not like you ordered off the website and I was able to do it. But then again, I could have done it with the stickers, but I did it separately. But anyway, they on the way though, and I still got some more if anybody want to get some. So stay tuned for that. But like I said, we about to get this day going, make it happen, and get this money, man. Man, we done finally got the Camaro up in the garage, so now I can finally work on it. I'm gonna go ahead and strip the whole engine bay because I want to paint it nice and clean. That way I can get a few things powder coated like I want. Also, we finally got the motor on the engine stand. I literally had this car for like a year and a half, and I've been paying for storage since I got the crib. So all that money I've been paying on that, I could have probably had this car already running. And then it's like I've been having this motor. I had painted it and got on it, then I had it in the shop sitting there and never got back to it. So that's why I'm excited that I at least got it on the engine stand, because now I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, get the tool to take the harmonic balancer off, take the plate cover off, swap the oil pump. The motor already had a brand new cam in it. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean all this up and make it nice and clean. So stay tuned. Y'all see how it is now, but just know in due time it's gonna look way better and it's gonna be running real good in this car. So stay tuned for that, man. But yes, sir, we about to get the day going. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it sliding. We just made it, honestly, to LA, and I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot of traffic out here because I left so late in the day, but it's all good. We got a lot to do and a lot to actually get to. So we're about to make it happen today because I was supposed to come out here yesterday, but I had so much to handle at the house. So today is the day, man. We're about to slide up out here. I got to check up on, I got to check out the rim shop to see how those rims coming along. I'm about to go to the Powdercoat shop. I got the frame right there in the back of the bed, as y'all can see. So we're about to drop that out to the Powdercoat shop. And then I have to tow a motorcycle. I was supposed to tow one yesterday, but I told him we could just do it today. So we're about to get that done, and then we gotta go one more place. I can't think because my mind is just raging as usual. But make sure I enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We're almost sold out, man. We got everything coming along, and that's why we made another trip to LA today to make sure everything is going how it's supposed to go right now. So get in to win it right now today at $25. All you gotta do is go in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com. Grab you a SLIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, a SLIDN and a HIDN keychain, or a red Kicks by Dre cap. Any of those 4 products is gonna enter you into the giveaway that got the 2015 Lifted Chevy Silverado paired together with the 2019 ROADGLIDE 114 Special, man. We got a whole new build motor coming. We got everything about to be freshened up, looking good, completely back together. That's why we're taking the frame to the powder coat. Look at my man's ace, man. This dude is knocked the hell out. God damn. But yeah, man, we about to get to it, y'all. We about to make it happen, man. We sliding, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. This LA traffic ain't no joke. Right now, we are literally headed to the Powdercoat shop. So we slide in these LA streets, man. About to get to it and make it happen. Yes, sir, man. I see what's going on. We're about to be pulling up. Yes, sir, man. We got the frame about to get powder coated and cleaned up. We got all 3 parts. We're gonna bring everything else after we pick this up, so stay tuned, man. You see the before, wait till the after. It's like a bright fire red. Yeah. That red look good. This the orange we going with, like the other parts on the bike. Oh, this got a flake in it. This a little bit different. Somebody got a black print. That's crazy. Yeah, this red is nice. That's crazy. I can't wait. Man, so you already know how my day be going all over the place, kind of crazy. So I got a gang of shoes I had to drop off and like swap out. I got a gang of more shoes I just picked up. I'm about to go pull up on somebody else right now and grab some shoes out here. Then I gotta tow somebody's bike from their crib to a dyno shop out here. So stay tuned for that. We got a lot going on, and I'm still trying to get everything else that I have to do. But one thing for sure, this money come first because we got a lot to take care of and to handle. So we need every dollar, man. Every dollar counts, man. So we get into it though, man. We about to enjoy the day and get it going, huh, Ace? Can't even see my boy. We sliding him. I'm about to get some work in.